My name is Lauren Gaw, and this is Life Above the Clouds, your guide to elevated eating with a new cannabis recipe every week. This week, we are making cannabis confetti cupcakes. A lot of my friends are having birthdays right now, and confetti cupcakes are perfect for any celebration. First, we are going to whisk together our flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Then, in another mixing bowl, beat together the eggs, melted cannabis coconut oil and regular coconut oil, milk, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix it until it's just combined. Then pour in the sprinkles and very gently fold them in by hand. You don't want to mix too much because the colors will start to bleed. Also, for this recipe, be sure to use jimmies. They are the oblong little line dash looking pieces. You know what I'm talking about. Not the round sprinkles called nonpareils, because I have made the mistake of trying this recipe with nonpareils. The dye on the outside of the sprinkles will bleed into the batter, and the sprinkles are actually white on the inside. And we are looking for those bright colored sprinkles to melt on the inside and leave these bursts of colors. So jimmies are definitely the best for this. I have already lined my muffin tin with cupcake liners, and we are going to fill each one 2/3 of the way full and then bake them at 350 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick insert in the center comes out clean. While your cupcakes are cooling, we are going to whip up some vanilla buttercream frosting. The biggest trick to this frosting is to use room temperature butter. Beat your butter in the bowl until it is light and fluffy, and you'll actually notice the color change into a lighter yellow. And this is very important because we want our frosting to be as white as possible. Now gradually add your powdered sugar. I like to add about 1/2 cup or a cup at a time, and then beat it together until it is all combined and you have a nice fluffy frosting. Then add your vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. If your frosting is too thick, you can add a little bit of milk, a tablespoon at a time, to thin it out. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, we can add the frosting either in a piping bag or using an offset spatula or a knife or even a spoon. I also like to top my cupcakes with some more sprinkles because it adds the perfect finishing touch. And here is our beautiful cannabis confetti cupcake. It is so colorful and festive, and just looking at it makes me happy. I love the white buttercream frosting topped with sprinkles, and then we peel back this liner, you can see all of those beautiful bursts of color on the inside. Oh. These just make me so nostalgic. The perfect vanilla cake with vanilla buttercream frosting, and then the wonderful sprinkles on the inside. It's light and airy and sweet and just fun to look at and fun to eat and delicious to eat. I just love these cannabis confetti cupcakes. I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. And if you guys ever want to help out by sending over a cup of sugar or a bag of flour, go check out my Patreon page where you can get access to recipe sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, all kinds of fun stuff. There is a link in the description section below. And like I said in my past couple of videos, we are coming up on our 1-year anniversary of Life Above the Clouds videos. So looking forward to next year. I want to ask you guys, my wonderful subscribers, what you want to see next. Whether it is the same kind of videos or different kind of recipes or a different format, different topics, please let me know in the comment section because I would love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.